Have you ever wondered what your spleen does? You're not alone. It's one of those organs we often overlook until something goes wrong. Picture this. You're in the doctor's office, nervously awaiting test results. The doctor mentions something about your spleen, and suddenly, you're thrust into a world of medical jargon and uncertainty. But fear not, because today, we're diving deep into the mysteries of the spleen. Hi there, I'm Ramchandra, and welcome to our journey through Spleen 101, the complete breakdown on what is and how it works. Throughout this video, we'll unravel the secrets of this often misunderstood organ and shed light on its crucial role in our bodies. So stick around till the end, because by the time we're through, you'll have a newfound appreciation for your spleen and the incredible work it does to keep you healthy. Have you ever felt a dull ache in your upper abdomen and wondered if it's your spleen acting up? Understanding the spleen and its functions can help demystify such experiences. Let's start our journey by exploring the anatomy of this enigmatic organ. The spleen, a fist-sized organ located under your ribcage on the left side of your abdomen, might seem insignificant, but it plays a vital role in your body's defense system. It acts as a filter for your blood, removing old or damaged red blood cells and recycling their components. But that's not all. It's also a key player in your immune system, producing white blood cells called lymphocytes and storing reserves of blood to release in case of emergencies. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of spleen functions. From filtering blood to fighting infections, this organ is a multitasking marvel. Imagine it as a vigilant sentinel, constantly scanning your bloodstream for invaders and mobilizing troops to combat any threats. But like any guardian, it's not invincible. Various factors, from infections to trauma, can disrupt its delicate balance and lead to spleen disorders. Speaking of which, let's touch upon some common spleen disorders you should be aware of. From infections like mononucleosis to more serious conditions like lymphoma, understanding the symptoms and treatment options for these disorders is crucial for maintaining spleen health. But fret not, because knowledge is power, and armed with the right information, you can take proactive steps to safeguard your spleen's well-being. Stay tuned as we explore diagnostic procedures, treatment options, lifestyle tips, and much more to help you navigate the intricacies of spleen health. And remember, your spleen may be small, but its impact on your overall health is mighty. So join us on this enlightening journey through Spleen 101, where we'll unravel the mysteries of this often overlooked organ and empower you to take charge of your health like never before.